In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw perfect circles and ovals with the figure tool. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the right tools, how to get clean results, and how to fine-tune the look of your lines so your shapes fit your design perfectly. First, head to the tool palette. This is the main column of tools you use for drawing and editing. Look for the figure tool. Its icon typically looks like a small square or a line, which signals that it handles basic shapes. Click it once to activate it. Selecting this tells the software you want to work with shape-based strokes instead of freehand lines. Next, check the subtool palette that appears for the figure tool. This is where the specific shape options live. Choose Ellipse. Ellipse is the option that creates both circles and ovals, so you don't need a separate circle tool. Making sure Ellipse is selected ensures every drag you make will produce a rounded shape. Now move to your canvas. Click and drag to draw. As you drag, you'll see an outline appear, showing the size and proportions of your ellipse. Dragging at an angle away from your starting point is the quickest way to control the overall size. When you release your mouse or pen, the shape is placed. If it looks too wide or too tall, simply try another drag until you like the proportions. If you want a perfect circle, hold down Shift while you drag. Keeping Shift held, as you set the size locks the proportions to a 1:1 ratio. For best results, press and hold Shift before you release the mouse or pen, then let go of the mouse first and Shift second. That way the constraint stays active until the shape is committed. To refine the appearance, look to the Tool Property window for the figure tool. Here you can adjust thickness, anti-aliasing, and brush style. Thickness controls the line weight, increase it for bold outlines that stand out, or decrease it for delicate, precise circles. Anti-aliasing softens the stair-step effect along the edges, giving you smoother, cleaner curves, especially helpful at smaller sizes or lower resolutions. Brush style changes the character of the stroke. A solid, hard style gives crisp, technical shapes, while softer or textured styles lend a hand-drawn feel. Set these properties before drawing for predictable results, or tweak them to match the look you're after. That's all you need. Select the figure tool, choose Ellipse, drag to draw, hold Shift for a perfect circle, and fine-tune your thickness, anti-aliasing, and brush style in the Tool Property window. With these fundamentals, you can create clean, consistent circles and ovals anytime you need them.